Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 14th of June, 2016. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart. You can see we've rolled over, so even though we had ignored the risk line, eventually broke above that, started to break out to new highs, failed. We've rolled over the last couple of days. Let's go through major indices. I've got the S&P lost 17 points on Monday to start the week out. Crude oil down 19 cents to $48.88. Gold up $11.10, near a new high. Look out for that. NDX has rolled over here. And the NASDAQ side was never at new highs, down 38.29 to 44.22.76. The stocks lost 3, getting back near that breakout point. Be interesting to see if it can hold that. Biotech's down 34. The VIX rose. Look at this move up in the VIX. This is not pretty. Up 394 to 2097. Notice the risk line here, the buy signal back at the beginning of April when the market got the sell signal, and the risk line here held and has now turned up. And this is an acceleration of the VIX, by the way. You usually don't just get big bumps like this in the VIX and then nothing happens in the market. So I would look to the downside here in the market right now. Trend closed at 1.47. That brings the 10-day to 1.14. NASDAQ volume 1.7 billion shares. That's okay. Pretty good start to the week. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think Tuesday. Now Wednesday with the Fed meeting could be slow. I think somewhere maybe Thursday we'll get the options unraveling. So I'm looking for Tuesday and Thursday to be the better days. NASDAQ advanced decline ratio negative 1581. New York advanced decline ratio negative 1554. Google lost $1.31, which is a blip. Apple lost $1.50. Amazon lost 267. Netflix was up 10 cents. Remember, Amazon had that 13 sell signal last week, so that's starting to play out now. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the current contract in 5-minute. You can see it wasn't a very exciting day overall. I mean, we gapped down. We kind of wiggled our way back up to fill the gap exactly. That was about the high of the day, and then came back down, sitting right where we opened over lunch, and then drifted a little bit finally in the afternoon to new lows. NASDAQ side looks about the same. Note the 13 buy signal got the bounce. Pretty amazing. That's it. We've got some minor data in the morning. We've got import-export prices and retail sales an hour before the bell, and business inventories 30 minutes in. Again, I think it could still be a good trading day. There's some oomph in the market here. Watch that VIX. It's going to be important if that thing really starts to take off. Stay short the market. Get short and stay short, as they say when the VIX is rising. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Thanks.